Hello students, in this video we will discuss about areas of parallelograms and triangles. This is the chapter of class 9th maths and charity. Since topic is areas of parallelograms and triangles, that means in this chapter we will discuss about areas of parallelograms and areas of triangle. And areas of parallelogram and triangle both combined, or areas of two parallelograms combined, or areas of two triangles combined. That means there are four types of question related to this chapter we will study here. Now, some concept related to this chapter are given. First concept is area of two parallelograms have common base and between same parallel lines are equal. That means, according to this concept, if two parallelograms given such as that both parallelograms have common base, that means both parallelograms form on the common base, same base, and lie between same parallel lines, then area of both parallelogram will be equal. Now first we draw which type of figure will be comes in this concept. Suppose this is a parallelogram. A, B, C and D. This is a parallelogram, and another parallelogram on the same base, common base AB. Suppose another parallelogram like this. Like this, and produce DC, and naming it A, B, D, E. As you see here, there are two parallelograms seen here. First parallelogram is A, B, C, D, and second parallelogram is A, B, D, E, whose common base is AB, and between same parallel line, that means AB and this is the EF. Common base AB and same parallel line AB and FE. Then according to this concept, area of both parallelogram will be equal. That is, if we want to write or simply of this concept, then according to this figure, area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABEF. Now we will see how to prove it. Area of parallelogram ABCD and area of parallelogram ABEF will be equal if both parallelograms have common base AB and between same parallel line AB and DE. Here given that ABCD and ABEF parallelograms have common base AB and between same parallel lines AB and DE. Then to prove area ABCD is equal to area ABEF, we should be prove it. Now I am going to start proof of this concept. First we take triangle ADF and triangle BCF. As you seen here, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Reason that if ABEF is a parallelogram, then AF parallel BE. Opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel and equal also. That means AF and BE will be parallel. Therefore, angle 1 and angle 2 will be equal. Reason that corresponding angles by the property of parallel lines. Next, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Same property of the parallel lines. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. This is the corresponding angle. Reason that ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, AD parallel BC and DC will be transversal line. Therefore, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Reason that corresponding angle. And AD equal to AD equal to BC. This is the opposite side of parallelogram ABCD. Now write here, in triangle ADF and triangle BECE, angle 1 equal to angle 2, corresponding angles. How the two angles will be corresponding already I have discussed here just. And angle 3 equal to angle 4, this will be also corresponding angle I have discussed here. And AD equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. Therefore, by AAS congruency, triangle ADF congruent triangle BCE. Both triangle will be congruent by under the criteria of AAS. Now, as you know that if two triangles are congruent, then area of both triangles will be equal. Therefore, we can write area of triangle ADF will be equal to area of triangle BCE. This is the equation first. Now, in the equation first, adding area ABCF on both sides, adding area ABCF in one on both sides. Therefore, area of triangle ADF plus area ABCF is equal to area BCE plus area ABCF. Go in the figure and see carefully. ADF, that means this triangle, plus ABCF. If both area including, then this will be form an area ABCD. Therefore, this will be area ABCD is equal to here BCE, that means this triangle, and ABCF, that means this area. Therefore, this will be form area ABEF. Area ABEF. Now we can say that area of parallelogram ABCD equal to area of parallelogram ABEF. So